Hello, good afternoon. We are on a tutorial on the explanation on how to build the project, which is a tank controlled by a servo and from a float switch, as well as the water consumption of three houses connected to the tank is displayed and calculated. So we will be explaining the sensors which we are gonna use. So this is a water flow sensor, which actually calculates the water flow on the pipe, in which it can also calculate the total water consumption per unit time, as long as it passes through this sensor. So this is a Hall effect sensor. So this is the direction of the motion. So if water passed through there, it will have a rotation here and will pulse, which is counted by the Arduino to calculate the water consumption and the flow rate, the rate of flow of water. So we have three pieces of that sensor here, 2 and 3, which is to be used on 3 different houses. So we use this clamp to clamp the sensor and the hose. We'll be sending this hose to you, which is a 3/4 size, and it can handle up to few megapascal, 1.75 megapascal, which is a pressure of water pressure, which is quite good for household use. So we use this clamp. Okay, you can just loosen it up and take it out, then change the hose for application. So this the reading from here can be monitored on an LCD, which is also connected to the Arduino Mega. And then we have a tank. The source of the tank is controlled by this faucet, which is will be connected to a servo, in which the servo will turn on and turn off this faucet. And we will be using 2 float switches, or water float switches, which will control the servo. We will position these switches strategically from the top of the tank and the middle of the tank. So if the float switch, okay, you can check how float switch work from our previous tutorial. If the middle and the top float switch is in the bottom position, that means the tank is already less than half. The servo, which controls this faucet, will automatically turn it on. Okay, it will turn it on, fully on. And then if both of the sensors, the middle sensor and the top sensor, is on the up position or upward position, it will automatically turn this faucet off. This is a Metal Gear servo MG996R. Okay, so from the data sheet, this is a high torque servo. It's a Metal Gear. It can, for a 5 volts source, this servo can have a torque of 9 kilogram cm. Therefore, if you have a 1 centimeter arm length, it can carry, or it can turn a maximum of 9 kilograms. So this time we have this couples lengths, so this is a very good one to control that faucet, even if the water pressure is quite high. Okay. So thank you for listening for that proposal of project, and the building will be quite later. Thank you very much.